Hi, today I'm going to be showing you this item I was sent for review. This is the INABULETWO Multifunctional Pet Hair Cleaning Tool. Let's see how to put it together and just how well it works. The pet hair cleaning tool comes in 4 pieces. The first piece is the head, and in this spot will go the second piece. This is the crevice cleaning tool. This can tuck right into here and it snaps into place. And then the 2 sticks come together and join the top. And here is our multifunctional pet hair cleaning tool, ready to go. This tool can quickly and easily remove hair from the surface. You can clean it off and get back to removing the pet hair. Use the included crevice brush to clean those hard to reach gap areas. This tool is great for cleaning the stairs. It's a perfect width. As we know, pet hair can be stubborn. Sometimes we need that handle length. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is truly a gift to have at home, either upstairs and or downstairs, to clean up the hair easily and quickly. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.